When I'm cruising in my whip, windows up, all tints. You hear that bass from a mile away, but do you hear the kicks? Cause my speakers going ham, on point. When I lane switch, gear shift or set pace whenever I accelerate. I still get chills when I weave through traffic. If you're a passenger, please don't panic. When I panel shift. Oh, it's Eagle here. Got Nadal behind the camera. Culture Whips London. We back with another video. And yeah, today we got a special one. Today we're out with a new whip that we was talking about in the last video. Got the BMW out. Imagine that, the BMW 1 Series 116 1.6 petrol. And yeah, we got this one, and literally got this one we wanted to do a project, and we thought, why not do it with a German, and why not do it with the common 1 series that, you know, everyone's tried to do something, but yeah, we want to show what we can do, you know what I mean? So yeah, don't limit yourself. So yeah, today we basically took it out. We thought, let's take it out on a motorway journey, a little motorway journey. So we're in the middle of nowhere right now in the car park. Don't watch that. Don't watch the settings. But yeah, we thought, let's give it a drive, test it out, see how good the engine is. And yeah, literally, it's alright, you know. It's not bad. But yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna have more videos out with this car. We just wanted to show you the car, the big reveal. And yeah. Let's see how it goes, man. Stay tuned, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm telling you, man, like, stay with us throughout this project. And yeah, let's see what we can do to this whip, yeah? Come on, man. Culture Whips London. Let's go. Jeez.